Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue trapezoid A, B, C, D along with these diagonals A, C and this other diagonal B, D, as you can see in this given diagram, such that these two diagonals intersect each other at this point P, and as a result we are ended up with these two triangles, this triangle ABP and this other triangle APD, and furthermore the area of this triangle APB is 26 centimeter square, whereas the area of this other triangle APD is 13 centimeter square. And now our task is to calculate the area of this whole blue trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And now let's recall this crucial fact. And here we got these two triangles, the red triangle and the blue triangle, along with their bases x and y respectively. And both of these triangles have the same height. Then the triangles with the same height will have areas whose ratio is same as the ratio of their bases, as you can see over here. And we are going to apply this concept on this given problem. So therefore we are going to focus on these two triangles, this triangle APB and the other triangle APD. And we can see their area ratio. If this is 13, then this is twice of that much. So therefore their area ratio is 1 to 2. So therefore we conclude that if this base of this triangle, if we label this one as x, then this base is going to be 2 times x. And bear in mind both of these triangles have the same height. And here's our next step. Now we are going to consider two other triangles. We are going to focus on this triangle CPB and this other triangle CPD as well. And we can see both of these triangles have the same height. And furthermore, their bases ratio is x to 2x. The ratio is 1 to 2. So therefore their area ratio is going to be 1 to 2 as well. If I label the area of this triangle CPD as A, then the area of this other triangle CPB is going to be 2 times A. In other words, the area of this triangle is twice as much of this triangle. And now let's focus on this whole big triangle ABD. And now we can see the total area of this triangle ABD is going to be the sum of these two individual areas. 13 plus 26 is going to give us 39 centimeter square. And here in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular DE on this base BC. And as a result, we are ended up with this rectangle ABED. And furthermore, this BD is the diagonal of this rectangle. So therefore, the area of this triangle ABD is going to be equal to the area of this triangle BDE. And we know the area of this triangle ABD is 39 centimeter square. So therefore the area of this whole triangle BDE is going to be 39 centimeter square as well. And now we are going to focus on this big triangle BCD. It consists of these two individual triangles, this triangle CDE and this other right triangle BDE, and both of these triangles have this height DE. So therefore we conclude the area of this triangle CDE is equal to the area of this triangle BDE. In other words, if this area is 39 centimeter square, then the area of this triangle is going to be 39 centimeter square as well. And here's our final step. Now we can see that the area of this blue trapezoid is going to be equal to the sum of these three individual triangle areas: the triangle ABD area, the triangle BDE area, and finally the area of the triangle CDE. And now we can see the area of this triangle ABD is 39 centimeter square. The area of this triangle BDE is 39 centimeter square as well. And finally the area of this triangle CDE is 39 centimeter as well. So therefore we are going to fill in the blanks in this equation. So our triangle ABD area is 39 plus the triangle BDE area is 39 plus finally the area of the triangle CDE is 39 as well. And if we add these constants, that is going to give us 117 centimeter square, the area of this blue trapezoid. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 117 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.